So let me just take you to my makeup treasure today because I was just cleaning the place. So I thought I should share with you what are those important things, important products you should have. What I have. So, there are chances you may be having some different kind of company, but what all I have right now, I'll just show you. Um, One is दिस मैक हाइलाइटर जो कि 4 दिन पहले गिर के टूट गया था एंड आई वॉज रियली सैड बट दिस हैज ऑलवेज बीन माई बेस्ट बडी when I really want, would dullness make lightning? So this is always there. uh, this is by Krylon, which is really good. I'm holding the phone with one hand so I cannot show you exactly uh, proper way में, but still see these have amazing colors. इसमें सारे highlighters हैं, and these can be used on your eyes as base. eyeshadow से पहले these can be used on your lips. These can be used as a blusher, as a base blusher, or these can be used as a highlighter. Then I have this Makeup Studio powder, shimmer powder. I have this Inglot powder जिसका कलर थोड़ा सा गलत आ गया था, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा पिंक है, but you can always mix and match. And there are different kind of looks sometimes, that pink Barbie kind of look, so then you can use these pink powders. Then I just recently got this Love Child ka, because this is not for professional thing, this is for myself. This is very good compact, skip everything, 4-in-1 mattifying compact. And seriously, I have really liked it because I'm not a person who puts so much of makeup everyday basis. So these are the basic things, कि आप थोड़ा सा सीसी क्रीम बीबी क्रीम लगाओ एंड उसके ऊपर जस्ट wear this mattifying compact, and then you're good to go. And what else I should show you? Yes, I have this Love Child Masaba primer, which is good. Yes, abhi bahut zyada there is one product which is really making a waves, that is Flicka Silk Touch. This works as a moisturizer. This works as a primer. अभी यहाँ पे ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा बंद है बिकॉज ये थोड़ा साइड पे है and I am kind of tired of holding my phone right now because I'm doing so much. There was one thing I wanted to show you which I'm not able to. Yes, I just got it. Again, this is by Krylon. This is really good, guys. This is one thing which I really need to teach you. अगर काफी लोगों को नहीं पता होता कि आप कौन सा कंसीलर यूज करो, because we use orange concealer, we use green concealer, we use purple concealer. Different kind of concealers होते हैं different kind of issues के लिए. Maybe some are for freckles, pigmentation. कई some faces have those red spots काफी ज़्यादा, किसी का कुछ तो उसके ऊपर लगना होता है. But this is one thing for my kind of. Can you see? Lately I have been keeping really sick because of this pollution and everything. Abhi bhi you can notice, I'm getting breathlessness. So these kind of if you have dark circles or this kind of thing, this color peach, so you can always get in touch with me and I can let you know how to use this. There's a way to use this. आप ऐसे randomly कुछ use नहीं कर सकते. Then there is someone very dear to me. She has this brand, Amarveda. I have few products which are magical, amazing, and I've been using those because, again, because of this pollution and everything, I have really bad skin these days. I have really sensitive system and sensitive skin, so बहुत ज़्यादा allergies हो जाती हैं, बहुत issues होते हैं skin के ऊपर. अभी भी you can see everywhere. So I cannot put anything as such. तो अभी बिल्कुल plain है, without any base, without anything. So this is a serum which works as a light oil, but ये oily नहीं करता face को, just for 2 minutes. But when you massage, it just your skin absorbs it. Then I have liked this from them, Amarveda Rose Petal Toner. They have two kind of toners. I think one is lavender and one is this. Amazing, amazing. गर्मियों में you can keep it in the refrigerator and you can spray it तो वो ठंडा ठंडा face पे you get that freshness. And otherwise अभी I have just kept it here, and once you spray it you feel so fresh. And before that oil massage or serum massage, if you spray it and then on top of that you massage it, so your skin really gets hydrated. Then this is Kesari Saundarya Gel, which is amazing. I tried it today. Amazing. If you want to know more details, or maybe I can create a different session on this, different kind of video, which I can show you how to use this. So you can. There are more products, but my hand is like really tired right now. I cannot show you. Yeah, this is by Conscious Chemist. This is good. Again, it hydrates your face. Then I have Hyphen Hydrating Ceramide Toner. See, my throat is gone. This pollution, it kills everyone, everything. So, anyways, bye for now. And if you have any query related to any kind of product, skincare product, or beauty product, makeup product, or any kind of tips and tricks, just get in touch with me. Bye.